Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Our chapter name is fraction. Under fraction, already we have completed addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, and then multiplication of fraction. These headings already we have completed. Today's topic is division of fraction. Okay, today's topic is division of fraction. Before getting to the topic, we are going to see what is reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, this reciprocal is very important in division. So we are going to see reciprocal of a fraction. What is reciprocal of a fraction? Okay, it is nothing but reciprocal of a fraction can be obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of a fraction means it is interchanging the numerator and denominator. For example, we are having the fraction 2 divided by 2 divided by 3. We are going to write the reciprocal of 2 by 3. So the reciprocal of 2 by 3 is, reciprocal is nothing but what I said, it is interchanging the numerator and denominator. So here, which is the numerator is 2, denominator is 3. We are going to interchange the numerator and denominator. Okay, so reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. We have interchanged the numerator and denominator. So this is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction means interchanging the numerator and denominator. Here they have given the fraction 2 by 3. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Understand? Okay. So first example 14. It is in page number 27. Open your book and take page number 27. Find the reciprocal of 5, 1, 3, 1 by 5 and 1 by 9. For these numbers, we are going to find the reciprocal. Okay, let's put the solution. Our first question is 5. We are going to find the reciprocal of a number 5. So, we can write 5 as 5 by 1, right? If there is no denominator means we can write 5 by 1, okay? If there is no denominator, if it is a whole number means the denominator is 1, okay? So we can write 5 as 5 by 1. So the reciprocal of 5 by 1 is, the reciprocal of 5 by 1 is, the answer is 1 by 5. So, we have interchanged the numerator and denominator. That is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of a fraction means interchanging of numerator and denominator. So, reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. 5 is a whole number. So, we can write 5 as 5 by 1. Okay, denominator. If there is no numbers in the denominator means you can write a number 1. Okay, so 5 is equal to 5 by 1. The reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. Okay, understand? So second one, 1. Okay, second question 1. We can write 1 as 1 by 1. 1 by 1 both are same. Okay, 1 by 1 both are same. So the reciprocal of 1 by 1 is 1 by 1. So that is 1 itself. So the answer is 1 itself. Okay, the reciprocal of 1 by 1 is 1. The reciprocal of 1 is the same number 1. Okay. We can write 1 as 1 by 1 when we are interchanging the numerator and denominator. Again we are getting 1 by 1. So the answer is 1 itself. Okay. Understand? Okay. A third question. 3 1 by 5. Third question is 3 1 by 5. So 3 1 by 5. This is in the form of mixed fraction. Okay, this is in the form of mixed fraction. So first we need to convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. If a question is in the form of mixed fraction means we need to convert it into improper fraction. Okay, 3 1 by 5. How will you convert? First we need to multiply the number 3 and 5, then add 1 to that number. So first we can convert it into improper fraction. So 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1. Yes, very good. 16 by 5. So, we can write this 3 1 by 5 as 16 by 5. So, next we are going to find the reciprocal for this 16 by 5. So, the reciprocal of 16 by 5 is, we need to interchange the numerator and denominator, right? So, 16 by 5 is 5 by 16. So, reciprocal of 16 by 5 is 5 by 16. 5 divided by 16. Understand? Then last question, that is 1 by 9. Okay, we are going to find the reciprocal for the fraction 1 by 9. So, the reciprocal of 1 by 9 is, reciprocal of 1 by 9 is, yes, 9 by 1. Okay, reciprocal of 1 by 9 is 9 by 1. So, the answer is 9. It is nothing but 9. Okay, 9 by 1 we can write as 9. So, the answer is 9. Okay. So, do you all understand what is reciprocal of a fraction? Reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerator and the denominator, interchanging the place of numerator and denominator. Okay, this is reciprocal of a fraction. Clear? So, our next heading is division of fraction. Okay, division of fraction. And the division of fraction, we are going to see dividing a whole number by a fraction. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. You all know what is whole number. Whole number means starting from the number 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Then fraction means number is in the form of a by b. That is n by d. Numerator divided by denominator. That is fraction. Next heading is division of dividing a whole number by a fraction. Okay. The question is example 15. Evaluate 10 divided by 2 by 5. Okay, this is not 2 by 3. This is 2 by 5. 18 divided by 5 by 6. 21 divided by 1, 2 by 3. Then last question, 7 divided by 1 by 2. 1 by 1 we are going to solve. First write the solution. First question, 10 divided by 2 by 5. 10 divided by 2 by 5. So, remind that to divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, to divide a whole number by a fraction, we need to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, listen carefully. So, first write the whole number 10. We can write 10 as 10 by 1, right? We can write 10 as 10 by 1. When we are multiplying a whole number by a fraction, we need to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. We are going to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. Then put the reciprocal for the fraction. So 2 by 5 we can write as 5 by 2. Okay, when you are dividing a whole number by a fraction, first we need to change the sign into multiplication, then write the reciprocal for the fraction. 2 by 5, the reciprocal of 2 by 5 is 5 by 2. This is the procedure. Okay, so keep it in mind, to divide a whole number by a fraction, we need to multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of a fraction. Okay, so you all know how to multiply a fraction by a fraction, right? So 10 into 5, first multiply the numerator. 10 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. We can able to cancel any number, means just cancel each other. We can cancel 2 and 10. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. So now multiply the remaining numbers and write 5 5s are 25. So our answer is 25. Answer 25. Clear? When you are dividing a whole number by a fraction, we need to multiply the whole number and the reciprocal of a fraction. So first we can write 10 as 10 by 1, then change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Okay, 10 by 1 into, then take the reciprocal for the fraction. 2 by 5 we can write as 5 by 2, then normal multiplication. First multiply the numerators, 10 into 5 divided by 1 into 2. If there is any common factor, means just cancel each other. Okay, so here we can cancel 10 and 2. 1 2 is 2, 5 2 are 10. So our answer is 25. Clear? Then our second question, 18 divided by 5 by 6. Okay, 18 divided by 5 by 6. So what is the first step? Write the whole number in the form of fraction, that is 18 by 2. Then change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Next take the reciprocal for the fractions. 5 by 6. The reciprocal is 6 by 5. Okay. So first write the whole number as 18 by 1. Then change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Put into, then change the fraction. 5 by 6. Take the reciprocal of the fraction. So 5 by 6 we can write as 6 by 5. Next multiply the fraction. 18 into 6 divided by 1 into 5. Can you able to cancel in numbers? No. So just multiply and write 18 into 6. What is 18 into 6? 8 6 are 48. Balance 4. 1 6 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. So it is 108 divided by 5. 108 divided by 5. Next our answer is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. For that we need to divide by 5 table. 108 5. So 2 5s are 10. 0 8 1 5 is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer is 21 3 by 5. Your answer is 21 3 by 5. Understand? So first write the whole number 18 as 18 by 1. Then change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then take the reciprocal for this fraction 5 by 6. The reciprocal is 6 by 5. Then multiply the numbers and find the answer. Clear? So next question, 21 divided by 1 2 by 3. So this is in the form of mixed fraction. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 21 divided by, so 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 5. So 5 by 3. We have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. So next we are going to divide 21 by 1. This division will change into multiplication. Then take the reciprocal for the fraction 5 by 3. The reciprocal is 3 by 5. Okay. Then multiply the numerator, 21 into 3 divided by 1 into 5. Check whether there is any common factor. No, there is no common factor. So multiply the numbers. 21 into 3. So 21 into 3 is 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. It is 63 by 5. Again it is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. Okay. So 63 5. 1 5 is 5. Balance 1 13. 2 5s are 10. Balance 3. So our answer is 12 3 by 5. This is your answer. 12 3 by 5. Understand? Then last question. 7 divided by 1 by 2. 7 divided by 1 by 2. Same procedure. First write the whole number as 7 by 1. Then change the division symbol into multiplication symbol. So into, then take the reciprocal for 1 by 2, that is 2 by 1. So next multiply the numerator, 7 into 2 divided by 1 into 1. 7 2s are 14. 14 by 1. 14 by 1 is nothing but the answer is 14. So our answer is 14. Understand? 12 understand? How will you divide a whole number by a fraction? To divide a whole number by a fraction, multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction and then simplify the product. Okay, understand? Okay. Okay, then our last question, example 16, same page number, okay, page number 28. A question is, a rope is 12 meter long. A rope is 12 meter long. How many pieces of length 1 by 2 meter can be cut from it? A rope is 12 meter length, 12 meter long. How many pieces of length 1 by 2 can be cut from it? Okay, the total length of the rope is 12 meter. Total length of the rope is 12 meter. They are telling length of each piece of rope. Length of each piece of rope is 1 by 2 meter. They are asking how many pieces can be cut from it. How many number of pieces? How many pieces can cut from the rope. The total length of the rope is 12 meter. For each rope we can cut to 1 by 2 meter. So they are asking how many pieces we can cut. So number of pieces formed. That one we are going to found. Okay. So first write the step, total length of the rope. Total length of the rope, it is given in the question 12 meter. Then length of each piece of rope. Length of each piece of rope is 1 by 2 meter. This is also given in the question. We are going to find number of pieces formed. So number of pieces formed is equal to total length divided by length of each piece. Total length divided by length of each piece. Okay, we are going to divide total length by the length of each piece of the rope. So we all know the total length of the rope is 12 meter. So 12 divided by length of each piece of the rope is 1 by 2 meter. 1 by 2. Okay, so first convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. 12 divided by 1 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 12 divided by 3 by 2. Next we are going to divide. So first write the whole number as 12 by 1. Then change this division symbol into multiplication symbol. Then write the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 2 by 3. We can write 3 by 2 as 2 by 3. So is equal to 12 into 2 divided by 1 into 3. 12 into 2 divided by 1 into 3. If you have any common factor, means just cancel each other. Okay, we can cancel 12 and 3, right? So 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, right? So 4 into 2, right? Multiply the remaining numbers. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 by 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but it is 8. So 8 pieces are formed. Thus answer is this. 8 pieces are formed. This is your final answer. Okay, so total length of the rope, it is given in the question, that is 12 meter. Length of each piece of rope is 1 by 2 meter. We are going to find number of pieces. So number of pieces equal to total length divided by length of each piece. Total length is 12. 12 divided by 1 by 2. So 12 divided by, first convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. 1 into 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 by 2. Now we are going to divide a whole number by a fraction. So we can write the whole number 12 as 12 divided by 1. Then change this division symbol into a multiplication symbol. Then write the reciprocal of the fraction, that is 2 by 3. Then now multiply the numerator. 12 into 2 divided by 1 into 3. We can cancel 3 and 4 in the same table. 3 and 12. So 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. Now multiply the remaining numbers. 4 2s are 8 divided by 1 into 1. 8 by 1 is nothing but it is 8. So our answer is thus 8 pieces are formed. Okay. Okay students, these are all the today's portion. Today we have seen reciprocal of a fraction, then division of fraction, and a division of fraction dividing a whole number by a fraction. This much we have seen today. revise all the portion, and if you have any doubt means please ask me in the Zoom class. Complete the classworks and homeworks. Okay, thank you all. Thank you.